Children, now we are going to study preparation of alcohol. In this, there are various methods. Now, the first method is from alkenes. From alkenes, we will prepare alcohol. This is done in the presence of acid, which is used as a catalyst. Now, how we will do? Alkene. This is unsymmetrical alkene. Is taken in which hydration is there. Acid catalyzed hydration. Hydration means addition of water in the presence of acid. This reaction between alkene and water in the presence of acid and obeys Markovnikov rule. So according to the Markovnikov rule, the OH being negative part, or you can say the hydrogen, get attached to that carbon which is having more hydrogen to it. So in this way, this conversion of alkene to alcohol takes place. Now we will study the mechanism which it follows. First step is protonation of alkene. Protonation means addition of hydrogen to alkene to form carbocation. It forms carbocation. Carbocation means having a carbon compound containing positive charge. Positive charge on it. It is known as carbocation. And that is protonation of carbocation. Protonation of alkene to form carbocation, which by the electrophilic attack of hydronium ion. Why it is called electrophilic attack? Because here hydronium ion is having positive charge and it behaves as an electrophile. So it is known as electrophilic attack. Now how the process takes place? Water when reacts with acid is acid catalyzed, this water reacts with acid and forms hydronium ion. Now the alkene is taken here. This alkene, the double bond that is present in the alkene is taken up by one of the carbon atom. That carbon atom develops negative charge and the another carbon develops the positive charge. Now this hydronium ion, this is the hydronium ion having oxygen in the center with 3 hydrogen attached to it and having a positive charge. Now this being a oxygen carrying positive charge will take one electron, that is the bond electron between one of the hydrogen and oxygen to itself and release this hydrogen as a positive charge. This hydrogen gets attracted, having a positive charge, get attached to the carbon containing negative charge and forms a carbocation. And it forms a carbocation. This is the first step. Now in the second step, nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. On this carbocation, how water, which behaves as a nucleophile now. Why water behaves as a nucleophile? Because in water, oxygen that is present in water contains a pair of electron that is having a negative charge. So water behaves as a nucleophile. This nucleophile attacks on carbocation. The positive charge that is present in the carbocation takes up a pair of electron to itself and forms an addition product. This product, the protonated alcohol is formed. This protonated alcohol is highly unstable. Now the third step will be there, that is deprotonation. Removal of this hydrogen, extra hydrogen that is present in it. Deprotonation to form alcohol. Here again, oxygen carrying in this protonated alcohol, oxygen carrying positive charge. That takes the electron from one of the hydrogen and thus removes this bond that takes the electron from between the bond of oxygen and hydrogen and releases this hydrogen. This hydrogen is again taken up by the water to form carbocation and rest compound will form the alcohol. So this is the first method for preparing alcohol from alkenes. Now the second method which we'll see is the preparation of alcohol from hydroboration. This reaction, whole reaction is known as reaction of hydroboration and oxidation. Actual two processes takes place here. Addition of hydroboration, or you can say addition of borane, and the second along with that oxidation also takes place here. This is diborane formula, BH3 whole twice. Though diborane is taken, but only borane shows its reaction. When it reacts with alkene, it first gives trialkyl bromine, that you will come across here, trialkyl bromine, which is the addition product, and this undergoes further oxidation with water in the presence of peroxides and water, and the main content is the alkali present in it, which acts as a catalyst. Now what is the reaction that takes place here? Alkene when reacts with borane, in this reaction it obeys, this hydroboration reaction obeys anti-Markovnikov rule. Here hydrogen get attached to that carbon which is having less number of hydrogen to it. So borane reacts with alkene and forms this product. Hydrogen gets attached to the carbon having less hydrogen, and rest boron part of the that get attached to that carbon having more hydrogen attached to it. Now this compound is the addition product, which is further reacted with one more molecule of alkene. It reacts one more molecule of alkene, in which you will get one more hydrogen of this borane gets replaced by this alkene, and this forms the second product, which is further reacted with again one more alkene and forms the final product as trialkyl borane, as because all the three hydrogen of this borane has been used up by the alkyl group that is getting attached to it. This intermediate product, this is the addition product, then undergoes oxidation in the presence of peroxide and alkali. It also in the addition of water is also present here. When this reaction takes place, that is oxidation takes place, it results in the formation of alcohol, and this alcohol which is formed here is of high yield. A large product of alcohol can be prepared by this method. Yes children, now next method is from carbonyl compounds. Everyone knows what is carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds are those compounds which contain this carbonyl group, C double bond O group. Aldehyde also contains this carbonyl group, ketone also contains this carbonyl group. Now first method under this is by reduction of aldehyde. That is, reduction means addition of hydrogen in the presence of some catalyst. The various catalysts that we can use here is nickel, palladium, platinum, sodium borohydride, lithium aluminium hydride. So aldehyde when is reduced in the presence of reducing agent, we will get alcohol. Ketone on reduction in the presence of reducing agents gives alcohol, that is secondary alcohol. Aldehyde will always gives primary alcohol and ketones will give secondary alcohol. Next method is by reduction of acid or esters. Now acids undergoes reduction by the help of a very strong reducing agent, that is lithium aluminium hydride, and changes to alcohol directly. This reaction gives a very good yield of alcohol. But this method is used only when it is required very urgently or very importantly. Otherwise, this method is not used commercially, because the cost of this lithium aluminum hydride is very high. It is not used in commercial method. For commercial method, this another method is used. Acid is first changed to ester by the reaction with alcohol. In the presence of acid, it changes to ester. This ester undergoes is then hydrated, this ester is then reduced in the presence of catalyst to form alcohol. This is the second method. Now last method for the preparation of alcohol is from Grignard reagent. Everyone knows what is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is RMgX. This whole thing is known as Grignard reagent. In this method also, Grignard reagent also reacts with aldehyde and ketone. You will get different products. Grignard reagent when reacts with normal aldehyde, that is the formaldehyde, you will always get a primary alcohol. How the reaction, this is the mechanism. In this Grignard reagent, in this carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde, oxygen takes up the electron and carbon develops a positive charge. This Grignard reagent, the alkyl group which is attached to the Grignard reagent is having negative charge, and Mgx is considered as a positive. This R gets react with the carbon having positive charge, and then the oxygen gets attached to the another part of the Grignard reagent, and this intermediate compound is formed, which on hydration gives alcohol and releases the another part. Similarly, if you take higher aldehydes means instead of one hydrogen, one alkyl group is attached. This when reacts with Grignard reagent, this intermediate product is formed, which finally gives you 2 degree alcohol, that is secondary alcohol is formed. With ketones, the same reaction takes place, and the final product is always a tertiary alcohol, that is 3 degree alcohol is prepared. So these are the methods for the preparation of alcohol that you have to study.